I know what you're thinking. What's so great about homemade? Well, if you cook regularly like I do, then you probably already have enough spices in your pantry to make some amazing homemade seasoning mixes. And who doesn't love using what they already have? I know I hate that extra trip to the grocery store. More importantly, you'll be able to control the amount of salt that goes into your mix and tailor the flavor exactly to your liking. This is the ultimate guide to homemade seasoning mix. Today, I want to show you 8 of the most versatile spice mix recipes to have around. To start, our flavor-bursting blackened seasoning. If you remember from last week's video, homemade blackened seasoning is perfect for seafood. It'll work magic with pork chops, steaks, or even tofu. Anything that needs to be seared will be great with blackened seasoning. We love taco seasoning, but those little packs are often loaded with sodium. Our fix? Make your own. And now you never need to worry about running out of taco seasoning for some impromptu Tex-Mex. Just make a big batch and it'll keep for months. And don't limit yourself to ground beef either. Taco seasoning is great on chicken too. If you've been following our channel for a while, you might have noticed that Cajun seasoning is one of our SideChef favorites. We love, love, love those classic Southern flavors on just about anything. What's great about making your own Cajun seasoning is that you can adjust the heat levels to your liking. Spice fiends can double up on cayenne, and people sensitive to spice can omit it completely. On the milder side, you have your classic Italian seasoning. From poultry to pasta to dressings, the classic Italian flavors of basil, oregano, and garlic will bring any dish to the next level. I can't overstate how versatile this mix is. You can even add it to some olive oil and dip some crusty bread in it. Old Bay is an iconic American spice mix and a household staple on the East Coast. The flavor is more complex than some other spice blends, but I promise it's worth it. While this spice mix is famous for being the star of any seafood boil, this earthy, tangy spice mix is great as a rub, in sauces, and of course, is amazing paired with any seafood. We love it on salmon and scallops. This is one of Johnny's favorites. You might have seen it in our baked chicken wings video. There's something about the sweet, warming flavor that is just magical. This is another one that has quite a few ingredients, but the unique, spicy flavor will win you over in a heartbeat. It's perfect with lighter proteins like chicken and seafood. If you do a lot of Latin cooking at home, having a jar of homemade adobo seasoning is a must. It's an all-purpose seasoning that you can use as a dry rub or the base of a marinade. The ingredients are simple, but each one of them serves a purpose to create a savory, well-rounded mix that we'd put on pretty much anything, but we love it on some roasted vegetables. This all-purpose poultry seasoning is great for, well, obviously, poultry. If you eat chicken or turkey often, this is one that you should have on hand at all times. But don't limit this herb-forward mix. Another great use is adding it to your chicken soups and stocks to really punch up the flavor. And we call it all-purpose for a reason. If you're looking for a quick side, try it on some roasted potatoes. I promise you'll never go back to salt and pepper again. My final tip is on how to store them. Once you've made your mix, make sure to store it in an airtight container and it'll last at least 6 months. I can't wait to hear which seasoning mix is your favorite. Mine is... See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our new delicious recipes.